Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to solve that we have to find the value 4 power 52 times 25 power 49. So when we multiply what we get. So let's start the today's video. So how can we write 4 power 52 and 25 power 49? So what we can do, we can break as 4 power 52 in terms of the same power with 25. So I can write 4 power 52 as 4 power 3 times 4 power 49. Because when we add, there is a multiplication sign in between and the base is same, we can add the power. Now 25 power 49. So 4 power 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, that is 64. So 64 times, I can write both the numbers in bracket, 4 power 49 multiply 25 power 49. So if both the numbers have same power, we can take common the power as common. So 4 times 25 whole power is 49. Now, we know that 4 times 25 is 100. So 100 power is 49. Now we have the property that A times 10 power B. So we can express this in terms of this property. 64 times 10 power. So 100 is 10 power 2 and 2's again power is 49. So I can write 64 as 10 power 2. We know the rule that x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So I can write it as 10 power 2 times 49 is 98. Now we'll write it in significant figures. So here we have to write the after one place the point and increase the power. So instead of 10 power 98, now it becomes 10 power 99. So our final answer is 6.4 into 10 power 99. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.